Hello and welcome to another Toot Takeaway. My name's Ellis and today we're going to read a poem from Julia Donaldson and Nick Sherratt in their Wiggle and Roar book. The poem is called Animal Voices. So first we're going to learn the signs of the different animals in the poem. So, cat, cat, mouse, mouse, pig, pig, bird, bird, sheep, sheep, chicken, chicken, bee, bee, crow, crow, horse, horse, and parrot, parrot. So, now we're going to read the poem. You can join in by doing the Makaton signs or by making the noises of the different animals. Here we go. Animal voices. Can you purr like a cat in the sun? Can you squeak like a mouse on the run? Can you grunt like a pig in a sty? Can you tweet like a bird in the sky? Can you baa like a sheep in a pen? Can you cluck like an egg-laying hen? Can you buzz like a bumblebee bee? Can you crawl like a crow in the tree? Can you chomp like a horse with a carrot? Can you shriek like a red and green parrot? Now I want to see if you can remember the animals' names. So I'm going to show you the different animals and then you can sign and say what you can see. Or you can write what you can see as an extra little challenge. Well done, good speaking and signing. Now it's your turn to write your own poem. You could think about different animals and the sounds they make, or different sounds you can hear in your house. So write your own poem and send it in to the Toot School Twitter. Thank you, bye.